This looks like a double-deck diesel locomotive run by DSB, which is the Danish railway company. I wasn't aware that they have diesel locomotives here, and the train is about to depart, I think. Let's see where this is headed to. So it's still got about 4 minutes here. So what I'll do is I'll stop this video and try to start recording again. Okay, the guard has just put his cigarette out and he's walking back into the coach. So the train is about to depart now. We just heard the air brakes releasing. See, that's the beauty of riding in a locomotive. It's so quiet when you're far away from the engine, car.